Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. My name is Vara Kumar. Today we are going to solve a problem from 5th chapter quadratic equations, exercise 5.3, 8th problem. So see here what he has given in the problem. A train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 kilometers per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. So see here, the train has to travel 360 kilometers with a uniform speed, he is saying, but we don't know the speed of the train here. So first let the speed of the train be x kmph. Kmph means kilometer per hour. So let the speed of the train be x kmph, kilometer per hour. So it travels x kilometer per 1 hour. So it travels x kmph means it travels x kilometers per 1 hour. So here distance to be traveled by the train is equal to 360 kilometers. Now we have to find the time taken by the train. So generally we have time is equal to distance by speed. So now we have to find the time taken by the train to travel 360 kilometers at a speed of x kilometers per hour. So let it is t1 is equal to, so what is the formula? Distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. Here distance is 360 kilometers, speed is x kmph. We can get time in hours. So t1 is equal to 360 by x hours. Let it is equation number 1. So he is saying that if the speed of the train had been increased by 5 kmph, then it takes 1 hour less than the previous time, he is saying. So see here, if the speed increased by 5 kmph, then the speed of the train becomes x plus 5 kmph. So here x plus 5 kmph. Now time taken by the train to travel 360 kilometers at a speed of x plus 5 kmph. So the distance is same, 360 only, but the speed is increased. So if the speed is increased, the time taken to travel the same distance decreases. Okay, so here let it be t2 is equal to 360 by x plus 5 hours. So let it is equation number 2. But he has given the distance, the difference between the times equal to 1 hour. So that is t1 minus t2 equal to 1. So from equation 1, t1 equal to 360 by x. From equation 2, t2 is equal to 360 by x plus 5 is equal to 1. So now from this equation, by simplifying, we can get a quadratic equation. So see here, how can we get simplify? So just find LCM here. So what we get, 360 into x plus 5, 360 into x plus 5 minus 360 into x divided by x into x plus 5. X into x plus 5 is equal to 1. So just to find LCM, so here we get 360 into x plus 5 minus 360 into x divided by x into x plus 5 is equal to 1. So next we have to multiply. See here, so multiply by 360 here, 360 into x we get 360x. From this we get, see here, we get 360 into x, 360x. So next 360 into 5 we get 1800. So next here minus 360 is there, right? Minus 360x divided by x into x plus 5 multiply by x into x we get x square. X into plus 5 is 5x is equal to 1. So just we have multiplied here 360 into x, 360x, 360 into 5 we get 1800. So next write this minus 360x as usual divided by, so here multiply by x. So x into x, x square, x into 5, 5x is equal to 5. is equal to 1. So now plus 360x minus 360x gets cancelled. So take these two terms to the right side. So here then we have only 1800 is equal to 1 into x square plus 5x, we get x square plus 5x, x square plus 5x. Okay, so now take this 1800 to the right side. Finally we get here already x square plus 5x is there, x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. So just take 1800 to the right side, it becomes minus 1800. Here already x square plus 5x is there, so minus 1800 is equal to 0. So now it is a quadratic equation which is in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So now we have to solve by factorization method. So here x square coefficient is 1, x coefficient is 5, constant is minus 1800. So multiply the coefficient of x square by the constant. So see here what we get. So 1 into minus 1800 is equal to minus 1800. So now we have to find two factors for minus 1800. So the condition is their product should be minus 1800 and the sum should be plus 5. So I am selecting plus 45 into minus 40. 45 into minus 40 we get minus 1800, and 45 minus 40 is equal to plus 5. So these two are the factors. So now how can we write? See here, write this x square as usual. So plus 5x can be written as 45x minus 40x. So write this minus 1800 is equal to 0. So just you have to see here how can we get, sir, 45 and 40. Just you have to divide. See here how can we get. So 1800 you have to divide by, so first it is divisible by 2, divide by 2. So 2 9s 900. So once you have to check each and every step. 2 into 900 is not possible. So again divide by 2, we get 450 here. So 4 into 450 is also not possible. So again divide by 2, we can get to 225 here. So 8 into 225 is also not possible. So now it is not divisible by 2. So 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 5 9. It is divisible by 3. So see here 3 7s are how much? 21. 15 is there. 5 sir. So it is 75. It is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 24 into 75 is also not possible. So again divisible by 3. So 325s. So now see here, it is 48 into see here 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 8 into 3 24, 24 into 3 72, 72 into 25 is also not possible. So now just divide by 5 into 5. So now we have to check one by one. So which one is possible? So just see here 3 into 3 9, 9 into 5 is 45. So next 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 5 is 40. So like this we have to find. So these 45 into 40. So here we have to take minus. So take minus 40, plus 45 and minus 40. So like this we have to take the factors. So see here x square, right, as usual, plus 5x can be written as plus 45x minus 40x and minus 1800 equal to 0. So in these two terms x is common. So write x into, so here we get x, here plus 45. So in these two terms minus 40 is common, we get x plus 45 again is equal to 0. So finally we have x plus 45 as common. So take x plus 45 as common. So here x is there. So here minus 40 is there, is equal to 0. So x plus 45 equal to 0 or x minus 40 equal to 0. So x plus 45 is equal to 0 or x minus 40 equal to 0. So now take plus 45 to the right side, we get x is equal to minus 45. So here take minus 40 to the right side, we get x is equal to plus 40. So what is x actually? X is the speed of the train. So speed of the train always positive. It must be positive always. Therefore we have to take x equal to 40 only. Since x is the speed, it must be positive always. Therefore x is equal to 40. So here therefore the speed of the train is equal to 40 kmph. Therefore the speed of the train is equal to 40 kilometers per hour. So like this we can find. So the problems on trains are very important. So this is the 8th problem in exercise of 5.3. So next we have to solve 9th problem. This is the 9th problem in exercise of 5.3. See here what he has given. 2 water taps together can fill a tank in 9 hole 3/8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So there are 2 taps here. So they have to fill a tank. So one tap is smaller diameter and the other is larger diameter. So they both together can fill in 9 hole 3/8 hours, he is saying. So he is asking to find us how much time they take each separately to fill the tank. So and also he has given the larger diameter tap takes 10 hours less than the time taken by the smaller one to fill the tank, he is saying. See here how can we do it. Solution. Time taken by the 2 taps to fill the tank is equal to 9 hole 3/8 hours. So here it is mixed fraction, convert into improper. 8 9s are 72 plus 3, 75/8 hours. So this is the time taken by both the taps together to fill the tank. So now part of the tank filled by the 2 taps in 1 hour equal to 1/75/8, that is 8/75. See here, suppose I am saying if they take 4 hours to fill the tank totally, so how much part they fill in 1 hour? 1/4. So just you have to write the reciprocal. So here part of the tank filled by the taps in 1 hour is equal to 8/75. So here, see here, let the time taken by the smaller diameter tap to fill the tank be x hours. So let the time taken by the smaller diameter tap be x hours. Then the time taken by the larger diameter tap becomes x minus 10 hours. Why? So the difference between those two times is 10 hours. Larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one he has given. So it becomes x minus 10 hours. So now part of the tank filled by the smaller tap in 1 hour is equal to 1/x. Since it fills, it takes x hours to fill, in 1 hour it fills 1/x part. In the same way, the part of the tank filled by the larger tap in 1 hour is equal to 1/x minus 10. Since it takes x minus 10 hours to fill the total tank, in 1 hour it fills 1/x minus 10 part. So, but the part of the tank filled by both taps together is equal to how much it is? 8/75. It is nothing but the sum of these two. 1/x plus 1/x minus 10 is equal to 8/75. So now from this equation we have to simplify. By simplifying this equation we can get a quadratic equation which is in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So now we have to find LCM. See here what we get. We get 1 into x minus 10 is x minus 10 plus 1 into x is x divided by x into x minus 10 is equal to 8/75. 8/75. So just find LCM. So 1 into x minus 10 is x minus 10 plus x into 1 is x divided by x into x minus 10 is equal to 8 by 75. So now further we have to simplify. So see here, now we have x minus 10 plus x. So by adding x plus x we get 2x minus 10. Here we get 2x minus 10. So here x plus x becomes 2x minus 10 divided by multiply by x. So x into x, x square, x into minus 10 minus 10x is equal to 8 by 75. So by cross multiplication what we get, see here, 75 into 2x minus 10. 75 into 2x minus 10 is equal to 8 into x square minus 10. 8 into x square minus 10x. So see here, just cross multiplication we get 75 into 2x minus 10 is equal to 8 into x square minus 10x. So multiply by 75. So here we get 75 into 2, 150x. 75 into minus 10 minus 750 is equal to 8 into x square, 8x square. 8 into minus 10x minus 80x. So now take these two terms to the right side. Finally we get here already x square minus 80x is there. So take these two terms to the right side. Here plus 150x becomes minus 150x, minus 150x, minus 750 becomes plus 750 is equal to 0. So here these two, add these two, 8x square right as usual, minus 80x minus 150x we get minus 230x. So plus 750 is equal to 0. So now it is a quadratic equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So now we have to solve by factorization method. So here the coefficient of x square is 8, coefficient of x is minus 230, constant is 750. Now I have to multiply the coefficient of x square by the constant. So we get 8 into 750. So that is we get 6000 here, 6000. So 8 into 750 is 6000. Now we have to select two factors for this 6000. The condition is their product should be 6000 but their sum should be minus 230. So I am selecting minus 200 into minus 30, we get plus 6000, and minus 200 minus 30 is equal to minus 230. So these two are the factors. See here I am writing 8x square, but this minus 230 write as minus 200x minus 30x plus 750 is equal to 0. So just split minus 230x as minus 200x minus 30x. So here in these two 8x is common. So if we take 8x as common, so here x will be, here minus 25 will be. So in these two minus 30 is common. So again here x will be, here minus 25 will be, is equal to 0. So in these two again x minus 25 is common here. So if we take x minus 25 as common, we get x minus 25 into 8x minus 30 equal to 0. So if we take x minus 25 as common, here we get 8x and minus 30. So x minus 25 into x minus 30 is equal to 0. So here either x minus 25 is equal to 0 or 8x minus 30 is equal to 0. 8x minus 30 is equal to 0. So now take minus 25 to the right side, we get x is equal to plus 25. Or here take minus 30 to the right side, we get 8x equal to plus 30. From this we get x is equal to 30 divided by 8. So cancel by 2. So here we can get 15 by 4. 15 by 4. So it is nearly 3.75. So see here, we have two values for x is equal to 25 and x is equal to 15 by 4. So here 15 by 4 is 3.75, but the difference between the times is 10 hours. So here x value must be more than 10. So see here, but the difference between times taken by the two taps is 10 hours. Hence x value must be more than 10. So here it is not more than 10, less than 10. Therefore x equal to 25 is correct. So if x equal to 25, then x minus 10 is equal to 25 minus 10, which is 15. Therefore the time taken by the smaller tap, so therefore the time taken by the smaller tap is equal to 25 hours, and the time taken by the larger tap to fill the tank separately is equal to 15 hours. So this is the 9th problem in exercise 5.3. That's all today's class. We will meet in the next class with another problem. Thanks for watching.